Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Now in this case, I have this article and I want my viewers, I want my students to read this article, and if they want to know something more about this article, then they can use the link that I have given. So to enter the link, I'll right here, click here, and then select this click here and do right click. Now in the second last option, we can see there's an option for link. I'll click on that and this box will appear. Now I will paste my link here in the address box and I'll click on OK. Now as you can see, the color of the click here is changed, and when you hover your cursor on the top of this click here, then you will get to know about this video link. Okay, now to remove this hyperlink, you have to select the text, or you can click on right click on the text. Now you have an option here to remove the hyperlink. This way guys, you can create a hyperlink or you can delete a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.